Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Xbox and confirming your privacy allows friend requests. This prevents silent blocks. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then move to People and choose Find Someone. You need the other person's exact gamer tag, email, or linked social handle to search reliably. If you only have a real name, try mutual friends or recent players first. Once done, type the identifier carefully. Gamer tags are case-insensitive, but must match spelling and special characters. You found the profile. Now verify it's the right person by checking mutual games and recent activity. Click their profile to see details and confirm identity. This avoids adding the wrong gamer with a similar name. Next, select Add Friend and choose whether to follow or be friends. Friends see more activity. Include a short message explaining who you are and where you met. Make sure to set recipient permissions, if prompted, so you both have the right communication access. Once you've sent the request, wait for acceptance and monitor notifications or your friends list for confirmation. You can invite them to a party or game once they accept, so test voice or chat permissions immediately to confirm connectivity. If the invite fails, first recheck spelling and make sure both accounts allow friend requests and parties, then confirm Xbox Live subscriptions and network connectivity. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or restart the console. These steps clear session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.